In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the chart feature in Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful tool for project management, and one of its standout features is the ability to visualize your data using charts. Whether you're tracking project progress, managing timelines, or analyzing data, charts can offer a dynamic view of your boards. We'll walk through the process of creating and customizing a chart view so you can make the most out of your data. To get started, let's first navigate to monday.com. Open up your web browser and visit the monday.com homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your account. Simply click on the login button. If you're using Google to manage your logins, this process is streamlined. Click on Google, then select your Google account from the list, and you'll be logged into your monday.com dashboard in no time. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to go to the board where you plan to use the chart view. Access your desired board by navigating through your dashboard and clicking on the appropriate board name. This is your workspace where all your relevant data is stored. Next, let's create a chart view. Look at the top header of your board for a plus icon. This is your key to adding new elements to your board. Click on the plus icon and a menu will pop up. From this menu, you should see an option called Chart. Go ahead and click on it to start setting up your chart view. With your chart view selected, the next step is to personalize it with widgets. Click on Add Widget, which allows you to customize what data you want to show on your chart. Here, you'll have the opportunity to choose from various widgets that suit your needs best, whether it's a graph, a bar chart, or any other visualization tool offered by monday.com. After setting up your widgets, you might want to add new data items. To do this, simply click on the New Item button within your chart view. This function will allow you to input new details directly into your chart, ensuring that your visual display is always up to date with real-time data. Lastly, you'll also have the ability to filter the information displayed in your chart. Click on Filter to narrow down the data by choosing specific criteria you want to focus on. This is a powerful way to zero in on the most critical information without being overwhelmed by unnecessary details. And there you have it, a complete guide to utilizing charts within monday.com. With these steps, you can effortlessly create, customize, and manage your chart views, transforming your project management efficiency. Don't hesitate to explore the various widgets and settings to discover what works best for your data needs. Thank you for watching and enjoy using monday.com.